Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peach mousse. Begin by chilling your mixing bowl and measuring 3 ripe peaches and 1 cup sugar. Pit and dice the peaches, then simmer briefly to soften and blend until smooth. Cool the puree while whipping 2 cups cold heavy cream to soft peaks. Fold the peach puree gently into the whipped cream for a light, airy mousse ready to chill. Chill your serving dishes first to help the mousse set faster. While peaches simmer, whip 2 cups of cold, heavy cream to soft peaks and keep it chilled. Strain the peach puree to remove fibers for a smooth texture and let it cool fully. Fold the puree into the whipped cream using a gentle motion to keep air in the mixture. Spoon into dishes and refrigerate until set. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness with small amounts of sugar or lemon juice. Vanilla adds warmth while lemon gives a clean brightness to the peach puree. For texture contrast, fold in a few diced peaches or sprinkle toasted almonds on top just before serving. If you prefer a firmer set, add 1 tablespoon gelatin dissolved in warm water to the puree before folding. Serve chilled for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.